Hey, my friend, it's Ara here, and in this Savings Habit Global video, we're going to be going over the double bonuses that are currently going on for the month of August of 2022. So currently in this month, the bonuses that have been with the Savings Habit Global program have been doubled for this month, which for you means you can create a very lucrative income online when you take action in this video, and you could do that, in this month. Create a very lucrative month in August with simply following along with this video, and of course. When you, of course, get started, you'll get access to a few bonuses like the free funnel that I'm using, the exclusive team training site, and of course, the additional weekly trainings that, of course, get access to. But let's go ahead and let's dive right into things, right? So when you first get signed up for the Savings Habit Global program, and you could check it out down below, this circle right here, we're going to draw a circle right here. This is going to represent you, right? So you get signed up. This is you right here. And the bonuses, I'll of course go over that, but first I want to talk about, how it normally works, right? So you bring in 3 people, and this is specifically going to be for the titanium level that we're going to be focusing on right now. You bring in 3 people that join the titanium level. Each member that signs up at that level is worth $100 to you. So you for 3 people, each being $100, and right here is $300 in total, right? So pretty simple, right? You're following, along with what I'm, going over right here. Now, normally when you refer 3 titanium members in a month, you get $300. When you refer 3 titanium members in 1 month, you get a $200 bonus, which equals up to $500 in total that you get for bringing 3 titanium members on board, right? Now, currently for this month of August, the bonus has been doubled to $400. So instead of getting an additional $200, you now earn $400, which then brings your total up to $700 in commissions just for bringing 3 titanium members on board. That is at the titanium level right here at the $200 per month level, right? So this bonus is currently going on for the titanium members as well as the platinum members right here at the $100 per month level. As far as the gold level, these bonuses are not, gold members are not eligible to get on the bonuses. This is mainly for the platinum and titanium levels right here. Now, as for the platinum members, it's pretty much the same thing except half, right? So you get, let me bring this down here. You get $50 for each member that you bring on as a platinum member. $50 right here, $50. You for 3, and then instead of getting $700 in total, you get $150 from the 3 that you bring on board, $150, and then normally you get an additional $100, which would be $250, but it's been doubled to you get an additional $200, and that is in total $350 that you get for bringing on 3 platinum members on board, right? So, so that's pretty much how that all works right there. Very simple. And of course, when you take action right now, you get started in this month, which is a very great time to get started with this program. You're able to get a really generous income online simply by promoting this exact program. And the benefit of this is that you get access to the exact same funnel that I'm using when you join through the link down below. So you can copy this exact capture page that I'm using, the exact sales video, which does a great job at converting your leads into visitors. Email follow-up is completely done for you. You don't have to worry about that. And of course, you get access to exclusive team training that shows you exactly how to market the system online. So your main goal with this is simply getting traffic, getting eyeballs over to your pages, getting people to opt in, and letting the system do the rest. It's very as simple as that. In these videos right here, show you everything in terms of how to market on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, Facebook profile, YouTube, direct messaging, paid traffic, all of that is in here. All you have to do is simply follow along. And this, of course, breaks the reason why a lot of people fail with, programs, right? You join something, you don't really get the help that you think that you might get, and then, you're kind of left in the dust. With this program, it's not the case at all. You get access to this training as well as additional weekly trainings where you can get on a Zoom call, speak to 7-figure earners right here, get all your questions answered, and all of that is available to you, right? So all you have to do to get started is simply go to the first link down below, watch this video right here to learn more about all the benefits. Click this button to get signed up, and then once you get to this page, you want to join at a level. So the level that I recommend coming in at is the titanium level because you have the most savings benefits, highest earning potential, right? You get the highest bonuses. And of course, the main way that you want to look at it is same amount of work, but do you want to make more or less for the amount of work that you're putting in, right? That's really the way that you want to look about it. So come in at the highest level that you can afford. Ideally, go straight for the titanium level if you're someone that really wants to create a full-time income online. If you're serious about replacing your job income, having more freedom, all that good stuff, go right for the titanium level because you just get the most bang for your buck. And of course, for members to any level that you come in at, and your membership is free. So when you look at it that way, the titanium level is really a no-brainer. So again, check it out down below, get started today. And once you get signed up, I will of course be sending you this free team training site and the free funnel that you can simply replicate. And yeah, I'll see you on the inside. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you got value here, and take care. See you on the inside.